Alright, thank you Relax with Olen606 for this comment. I will be diving a bit deeper into this. So based upon this tutorial, Control Yoast SEO with Cloud Code, we've gotten a comment asking, hey, what if you want to change the meta title and meta description for each product like 20,000 or 100,000 products? How long will it take to get it all done? So for the second question, 1 day maximum. Really maximum. If you started, for example, at 6 o'clock in the morning and you'll use this way of working, it will be able to get done by the end of that day. And I'm going to show you. Sorry. I'm going to, oh no, don't pull out the mic. I'm sorry, you got a mic disconnection. Test, I think my mic is working again. I think my mic is working. I'm just gonna wing it and see what happens. I'm sorry. So with this way of working, you'll be able to start it in the morning, and I'll show you the workflow right now, and then you'll be done at the end of the night. At the end of the day, I think 5 o'clock for at least. So I'm gonna head into my codex. I'm gonna open up a new. I'm gonna head into my Cloud Code, of course. So let me open up my Cloud Code, and I'll be right back in a minute. Alright, so here I am in my Cloud Code. I'm a VS Code. I'm gonna open up Cloud Code. Let me just close this down. Let's see, can I make this full width? Yes, hello Habibi. So let's go like this. So I'm gonna do the following. Please connect to the WordPress credentials that you already know. The YouTube tutorial website. If you don't know how to connect this, head to the website and to the YouTube page, and here. Let me just open up the video for you in a minute. Let me see. Connect Cloud Code to WooCommerce and connect Cloud Code to WordPress. These two videos, alright? Take them and see what you need to do. Look at this guy. Alright, so it's going to head into the website. As you can see, it has no credentials stored in my memory. So I'm just gonna open up a previous. You can open up a previous conversation, and I'll be right back in a minute. So actually I erased the credentials, so I'm just going to show you how you can add them as well. So you don't need to head back to the video. So into your WordPress, press in the top right corner, new application passwords, Cloud Code. I'm going to copy. No. Here are the new credentials, same website. Username is admin. Username, you can find the username up here. And I'm gonna connect the WooCommerce as well. So settings, advanced. Then we're gonna head to the REST API keys. I'm gonna add a key. Call this Cloud Code read and write generate API key, and just share these as well with our good friend Claudia. Here we go, and here we go. So it will connect right now, and then we'll head into the next step on what you need to do. Beautiful. So now it's connected. So now let's head into the next step. So as the comment asked is, I want to write or optimize meta description and meta titles for each product like 20 or 100,000 products. So there are two ways you can think of this. So the first way is you create a plugin that there's actually one way you can go with this, and that's the easiest way, and it will take me the least amount of time to explain to you, so we get the best result. So is you write a plugin. If you don't know what to do, you can control Yoast SEO in this. Let me just get the exact plugin comment, the exact same prompt. The prompt was, hey, that's funny. Hey Claude, I want to control functionalities as changing the SEO title and meta description using Yoast SEO. Can you create a plugin that I'm able to access all functionalities of Yoast SEO through you, so that we can change specific items per product or article or page? Thanks. Can you give me the prompt, it will create a plugin, and that plugin you need to upload it to your website. So that's step 2 that you need to do. Step 3 is so let me just write the prompt and I'll be right back. So first, minor initial step, what I want to do is I want to check and see if there is a connection and if the plugin is all working. And that's if you have created and uploaded the plugin, it will work. Found it, the coding streamer plugin has a endpoint. Let me test it, and it will just show you the endpoints that we've created with the plugin. Lovely, this is beautiful. So look, so now we get all the specific endpoints that we have. So how I would approach this is the following. So let's say you have 100,000 products. Then I will tell Claude the following. I'm going to type the prompt and I'll be right back when I have the prompt drafted. I would simply use batching, just like this. So you have 100,000 products and you ask it, hey, I want you to work in batches of 1,000. But this is important, each batch you edit also outputs a file in our root folder with what exact changes you've made. The files are all labeled 1 to 100. The changes I want you to make are, and then you add your specific changes in there. Why I want him to do that is, let's say for example, I noticed and it started hallucinating at file 50. Then I don't need to manually find each product. I just tell him, hey, look at file 50 and see what went wrong. Also, I'll be able to manually see what it's outputting and what it's creating. That's the first step that you can do. The second step that you can do is the following. I head into my Google Search Console, and this is one of our projects that we are building in public. And here I press export. From there on out, you can see all your search queries and all your pages. Instead of querying 100,000 pages at once, where you will probably have a big batch of a lot of products that probably aren't even getting clicks, I would export this and I'll get the pages and I'll only ask it, hey, do my top 20% pages and optimize those. So with this you optimize the ones that are, you can even make it more specific. Let's say for example, optimize each page that isn't ranking on position, that is in between position 4 and 7, 4 and 8, 6, 7. And you can, with this method, you're able to optimize the specific pages that you actually need. Instead of using your Claude code to optimize things that aren't even top of mind, you can much better create and get these high ranking pages already to a next level. Or you can, for example, optimize all pages that have a CTR under 2%. Let's say with that method you'll be able to do it much easier. So let's say for example I want to change that. I'm just gonna get the export, I'm gonna download it as a CSV. I'm gonna head into my Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna open up the files. I'm gonna head back into Google. Let me just quickly paste this in here. And here it has this thingy-majig, this CSV. I have 100,000 products. So make a screenshot of this prompt so you have it. So I have uploaded this file. Let me copy the exact name. This file. Please optimize the meta title and meta description using the Yoast SEO plugin we made for all pages that have a CTR less than 2%. And then you add a make a report on all changes you have made. Use batching, and let's say for example you have 1,000. Use batching and use batches of 250. Output them in folders numbered 1 to 10, 1 to 4. And this, I would much rather go for this way, and from there on out. So let's say you've optimized these pages, you go to the next, to the next, to the next, and this is how you manually filter it and get your lower pages to rank better, but your better pages rank even better. So let me head back to your name so I can answer your exact question, my good friend. Relaxie with Olen, or Relax E with Olen, or Relaxivolen. I hope this has answered your question. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I hope to see another comment of you that I can go in depth about. Thank you.